I'm Maroula, Pericles' wife. I'm what you may call a typical Cypriot wife. For nearly 30 years, I've been married to Peri. I stood by him in everything he did. I raised Despina, our daughter, as best I could. I was happy when they were. After peeling tons and tons of potatoes at the fish and chips shop, Pericles decided to sell everything we had and go to live in Cyprus. That's where our lives changed. For better, for worse.